right, so we have the DXG, and you are doing some camcorders, right?
Yes, that's right. Okay, my name is Aaron Chen. Our company is from Taiwan. Our company is specialized in, especially in the high definition digital camcorder products design.
Is that already launched?
Yes, it's already on the market since February, and the current one which hold on my hands, it's a 720p 30 frame 5-time optical zoom high definition camcorder.
It looks really nice.
Yeah. That's I can yeah, and it's a 3-inch screen, and so it records very decent video quality.
720p.
720p, 30 frame.
And the cool thing also is very cheap, no?
Actually, the SRP, the suggested retail price, is around $250.
$250,
Which means below 200 euro dollars. Yeah, that's right. This is the first inexpensive HD DV camcorder with optical zoom capability in the world.
All right. So it's H.264, 720p codec, right?
Yes, that's right. You know, the H.264 is the most sufficient compression technology in the world, which can save you a lot of storage media capacity.
Do you know the bit rate that it's recording in? Or
the bit rate is I think it's 16.
6,000 maybe?
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
If we will check, because can you film me now and I will
sure.
put the video on the internet?
Okay.
So right now, are you filming?
Yeah. Okay. Sorry.
Just changing to record mode.
Yeah, changing to record mode.
It's an HD record, right?
Yes.
Good quality, so we can check it out. All right.
Okay,
Are you recording? Okay.
Yeah, it works.
It's working?
Yeah, it's working now.
Recording in HD 720p using the DXG, what is the model name?
DXG 595.
595 and the CeBIT 2008, and it's below 200 euro at the retail, suggested retail price. It's really cheap.
That's right.
Let's check out some of the other ones.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
This is another also 720p DV camcorder, HD camcorder, but with fixed focus. So this is even a much inexpensive one, which is below $150 retail price.
Below 150. Can you take the SD card out and put it in that one?
Sure.
Try with that one?
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Okay. So let me stop this video for now.
All right. And then we will try that one.
Yeah. Okay.
So this one is below $150 for an HD camcorder with fixed zoom. Is the only difference is fixed zoom?
That's right.
Because this one has how much zoom?
5-time optical zoom.
There's a whole mechanical thing in there. Is the optics better of it? It's only the zoom that's better.
Optical zoom.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So now I turn on the camera, turn on the camcorder, and you will see it's also a 3-inch jumbo screen.
Yeah, the same screen.
Same size of the screen. It's only with fixed focus, no optical zoom, but still with digital zoom. So I push the recording button and.
Right. You're recording on the same SD card?
Yes, that's correct.
So this is Shamax from Tech Video Blog. We are recording a sample with the model name. What is the name? Normal battery?
Yeah, normal battery. I need to change the battery.
Okay.
Sorry.
Using small normal batteries like this.
Yeah, using small normal battery.
And while you're changing, can you talk about this one? What is this one?
Okay, this is another more portable device.
Yeah.
Okay, it's also a 720p high definition portable DV camcorder. So you can see it's very sleek design and also portable, ease of use. Also with the same big size of screen available.
Would you say that the picture quality between that one and that one
is the same?
Is the same.
It's the same, 720p.
720p.
Yeah.
How about the price difference?
The price actually is very similar on the manufacturing cost, but for the retail price, it's only $10–20 difference.
Which one is cheaper?
This one is a little bit cheaper. On the mechanical side, this one is a little bit simpler than the camcorder look.
Cool. So 150, 130.
Yeah, that's correct.
Retail price.
Yeah, suggested retail price.
So that one has battery. So shall we shoot a demo with that one?
Yeah.
Put the SD card in.
Sure.
Is it in there or?
Okay, maybe.
So we have the. So the model name is, you can say in the video.
The model name for this one is our 568 DV.
568.
Yeah.
All right. Turning it on. Nice big screen.
Okay. So I'm taking the picture.
Yeah. Just a picture now or video?
No, video.
All right. So we're at the CeBIT, and I'm Shamax from techvideoblog.com, and now we're shooting a sample with the DXG. What is the model name?
568.
568, 720p, H64,
264
264
compression.
and the camera is only $130.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Yeah. Okay.
So now you got one sample of that, one sample of that. And can you show it with what is that?
Okay. This is also another high definition camcorder,
Yeah.
portable, similar to the MP3 or the iPod product look, but it's a true high definition camcorder, 720p. Okay. And the most convenient way to have an interface from the USB interface, so you can directly connect to the PC easily without a lot of hassle on the cable.
Nice.
Okay.
So there it just jumps out from the side, and what do you put here? The SD card here?
Yeah, there is also support SD card, memory card, and powered by a 2AA battery. So
2AA, like the small ones like this?
This is AAA, and this is AA. AA a little bit bigger.
Bigger ones?
Yeah.
All right, so in all your camcorder you use this kind of batteries, or?
Yeah, no, we do have a economic line with the AA, AAA alkaline, but we also have with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery.
This one is rechargeable?
Rechargeable lithium-ion battery.
But you cannot have rechargeable in the other ones?
Yeah, they have a different power design. So this is with the rechargeable lithium-ion battery. So it depends on the budget and the cost.
So if you get a cheaper one, you need these batteries, but you can also recharge these, right?
Yeah, we also provide the rechargeable AA or AAA.
But you cannot recharge it inside the camera. You have to recharge in another
on
device.
A separate charger. Yeah, on a separate charger.
So what is the difference in quality of picture from this one and that one? Can you take a sample with this?
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Let's try it.
Actually, for our first generation, the 720p high HD camcorder, the video quality are all the same. Just putting on different device. And as I said,
it's a different generation, right?
Yeah, it's a different generation and different positioning of the product itself.
Is it also a different chip inside? No?
It's the same chip.
Same chip.
Yeah, it's the chip company is a Silicon Valley, North California based company. Provide the compression codec chip.
It's not Umbrella.
It's Umbrella.
It is them.
Yeah, this is the best compression codec chip in the world now.
Cool. 720p also, no?
Yeah.
But isn't that design the one you're showing outside that can do 1080p?
Yes, our second generation will do 1080p.
But right now you're filming 720p?
Now I'm filming 1080p.
1080p now?
Yeah.
Whoa! Can you continue the little bit? Are you filming? So, just so I can I put that sample on the internet as well, or?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's do a little video.
Yeah. So, Just a moment.
So right now you're filming with a little iPad. You're filming 1080p video.
That's right. So now I'm filming myself.
In 1080p, really?
Yeah, in 1080p.
That's amazing. So, and you check it like that. So of course there's no optical zoom, of course.
No.
But the quality is probably better than that one, no? Because that's 1080p and those are 720p, right?
Yeah.
So the resolution is better, right?
Yeah.
So are you distributed all over the world?
Our current, the first market we are launching now is the USA, but Euro market will follow.
Okay.
And we will follow soon since the second quarter of this year. And we will distribute our camera through several distributors around all the Euro countries.
How about in the USA? Is the big stores that have it, or?
Yeah, all the big electronic store will carry this type of HD camcorder.
Best Buy have it?
Best Buy, Circuit City, or even the mass merchant such as Walmart or Target stores.
Today?
Yeah, it's not on the shelf yet, but will be on the shelf since April.
April?
Yeah.
So it's starting right now, this kind of revolution in cheap camcorders in HD.
Yeah.
But right now you don't have a microphone input, right? Not yet.
We do have a microphone inside.
There's a microphone built in, but no mini jack input, right?
No.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. And no Wi-Fi inside
No,
the camera?
not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah, but it's a good idea. We can put all those additional features into our second generation products. Yeah.
That'll be later.
Will be second half of the year. Actually, technology-wise, it's a piece of cake.
It's a piece of cake.
Yeah. No matter for better microphone input or for Wi-Fi capability.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's very. Yeah, we can do it.
For you, it's a piece of cake.
Yeah, it's not the technology issue. It's only the product positioning and the cost issue.
All right.
Yeah.
But this is really impressive, and this is a revolution. Everybody has access to cinema quality now.
That's correct.
All right.
This is the first worldwide amateur class but high quality, high definition camcorder around the world.
The real cinema. You can put this video in the cinema.
That's correct. That's right. Yeah. Everybody since the TV, high definition TV is getting popular from the family, so the high definition camcorder for amateur is surely a trend and become everyone has one device. The dream will come true very soon.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.